Are you trying to work under a holiday visitation schedule and you're not sure how to deal with last minute changes? My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family law for about 7 years, and I want to help you make law easy by telling you a little bit about what to do if you hit a speed bump right before you're supposed to be doing a custody exchange. Um, this can actually really apply to just any sort of visitation exchange, even if it's just for a regular weekend or an evening. But I get these types of calls a lot right around this time of year. I couldn't even tell you how many we've gotten just this week alone. People try to make plans for the holidays and they try to plan for, all right, so, we're getting the kid this day and you're getting the child that day, and this is when school lets out, so this is how the break is lining up. And somehow, some way, inevitably something comes up. Uh, Unexpected relative is coming into town, or trip is trying to get planned at the last minute, or God forbid, vacation plans are getting delayed, something like that. Um, the best advice that I can give you in these types of situations is do everything that you can to try to work them out with your co-parent without taking it to court. Um, if you're having a custody exchange issue or a visitation issue, odds are you're not going to be able to get it in front of a judge before the holiday visitation starts. I mean, if someone comes to me right now and says, "Hey, or a former significant other, my co-parent, isn't going to let me have the children for the holidays. We had this agreement. Maybe we had a court order. Maybe we didn't have a court order. But either way, we had something in place. We had a plan. Now they're not willing to follow it. What do I do?" Really, unless there's something that is placing your child in danger, or they're in imminent danger of irreparable harm that would give rise to an emergency, my advice is going to be to tell you to grit your teeth, bear it, work out something as best you can, and we'll address it after the holidays are over, because that's the soonest we'll be able to get in front of a judge. I mean, the courts are going to be on holiday schedule before too long. The dockets are going to be very full with cases either trying to get litigated for custody modifications to be done before the holiday break is over, or else dealing with other emergency issues that actually come up. This is actually a time of year where a lot of custody cases are being set, either to be established or to be modified, because if something needs to be changed up for the kids, that change can happen over the holidays. So I'm like, let's say if dad's getting custody from mom or mom's getting custody from dad, and it's going to require like a school change. The courts are trying to get those handled now, get those litigated now, get those decided now, so that way the child can start fresh at the new school after the holiday break is over with. If you have an attorney, you can always consult with your attorney about this, and if the other side has an attorney, the lawyers can talk. I cannot stress this enough, though. Holidays are crazy enough as it is. Do everything you can to try to keep from adding visitation stress to that. Try to communicate with your co-parent, try to work with them as best you can. But if they're just being absolutely intractable and unworkable, make sure you document every instance of them refusing to work with you. If you have questions about this, or if you need some guidance on where to go, please absolutely give us a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.